Welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We are happy you are here. Today, we will listen to a story called Meeting New People. This story is great for beginners at the A1 level. You will learn new words, practice listening, and understand easy sentences. Sit back, relax, and let's start. Jack was a shy boy. He lived in a small town and didn't know many people outside his family and a few school friends. One day, Jack's teacher announced, "We are having a school event this Saturday. It's a great chance to meet new people and make friends." Jack felt a little nervous but also excited. Maybe I can meet someone new, he thought. On Saturday morning, Jack wore his favorite blue shirt and walked to the school gym. The place was full of students, parents, and teachers. There were games, food stalls, and music. Jack stood near the entrance, unsure of what to do. Suddenly, a boy with curly hair and a big smile walked up to him. "Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name?" the boy asked. Jack smiled back and said, "I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, Jack. Do you want to play a game with me?" Tom asked, pointing to a booth with colorful balloons. Jack nodded, and they walked over together. The game was simple. Throw a ball to pop a balloon. Tom went first and popped 2 balloons. Jack tried and popped 3 balloons. "Wow, you're good at this," Tom said. Jack laughed. After the game, Tom introduced Jack to his friends. "This is Anna, and this is Ben," Tom said. "Hi, Jack," they said. Jack said hello and felt more comfortable. The group decided to explore the event together. They played more games, ate popcorn, and laughed a lot. Anna showed them how to make paper airplanes at the craft table. Ben shared funny stories about his pet dog. Later, the teacher announced a group activity, a treasure hunt. "Find the hidden clues around the gym," she said. Jack's group worked together. They searched under tables, behind chairs, and near the food stalls. Jack found the final clue hidden near the stage. Their teamwork helped them finish first. At the end of the day, Jack felt happy. He had met new people and had fun with them. Before leaving, Tom said, "Let's be friends. Jack, you can join us at lunch on Monday." Jack smiled and said, "I'd like that. Thank you." When Jack got home, he told his parents about his day. "I was nervous at first, but I'm glad I went. I made new friends," he said. His mom and dad were proud of him. From that day on, Jack felt more confident about meeting new people. He realized that making friends wasn't so scary after all. That is all for the story Meeting New People today. Now I will ask you 3 questions to see if you understand the story. 1. Where did Jack go on Saturday? 2. Who was the first person Jack met at the school event? 3. What activity did Jack and his group do to finish first? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for a free PDF of today's story. Make sure to download it to enhance your learning. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode with another exciting topic to help you learn and grow.